Hello, Surf Pro of Upland. We got a loss in Corona where a fire sprinkler affected the entire home. Came from the ceiling fire sprinkler. Flooded the entire house. Left about an inch and a half to 2 inches of standing water throughout the entire home. We were extracting last night, blocking furniture and setting equipment. We will be packing the entire house to prep for demolition to ensure that we dry the structure properly. Be removing some vanities to ensure proper drying in bathrooms. Possibly have to remove cabinets in some closets. So as you can see, we have quite a bit of work. We're going to be packing. We've already got guys started on that.